In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art in 3 minutes. This is how the scene looks like. I have a plane, a sphere, and 3 point lights. The sphere is blocking all external lights, and the plane was subdivided and its faces were randomized. I have used cycles with the denoise setting turned off. All 3 point lights have the same power, but different colors. The sphere has black material with specular turned off, and the mesh was subdivided. In edit mode, right-click and type S to subdivide it 25 times, and randomize the faces like this. There's no environment light, since all external lights were blocked by the sphere. The plane's material is metallic. This is how the scene looks like, and once we apply the composite nodes, a very interesting effect gets added to the final image. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.